Hi friends, Sierra here. I wanted to pop in to show you how to create this lovely stitch that gives us all this amazing texture in my latest pattern. This hat that I have here is my bubble beanie pattern. It is a knit pattern, and as you can see, it just gives off a really fun texture. I'm using size 6 super bulky yarn for this, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to do knit one below. So typically we knit like this. This is how we do a normal knit stitch. And then to knit one below, this bump, because we had a purl in the previous row, we're gonna go in this right underneath it. So we're gonna use our right needle and insert it right under where that bump is. As you can see, there's a hole. That's where we're gonna insert our needle. And we're gonna work it just like a regular knit stitch. And we're going to go like this, and we're going to pull this loop off our left hook. It's a little scary, I know, but that's how it will look when you pull it off. And then for the pattern, I do a knit stitch, and then the next one is a knit one below. So again, we're going to take our right needle, insert it right under this bump where this opening is. So we're going to insert and just work it like a regular knit stitch and pull this loop off our left needle. And that is all you have to do to knit one below, and it actually ends up creating this really lovely texture. Alright, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like to watch a full tutorial on how to create this beanie from start to finish, you can watch my next video here. And if you liked the stitch tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!